day. It's fixing to be a day. Stay tuned. Banger alert. Let's roll. Today, Matt put me on a Venom. To try it out today or something. It's pretty good. Tastes like a Red Bull, honestly. So, that being said, let's get ready.
Alright guys, we finna roll out to Galveston. FLP crew over here. We got the F-bodies lined up. We finna roll out. Catch you on the flip side, y'all.
Let's go, Brandon. Hopefully we will make it. Look, there's a car hauler and a whole bunch of guys standing over there. Anyways, how long? Okay, so the rolling. Yeah, we're gonna be pretty late. So hopefully they're still there.
We might not even make the cruise.
We gonna see. We barely made it, but we did. There's speed out of these guys who own it. So we running a little bit of late, but we barely got them. So that's what's up. And now we rolling. Skeletons. Got everybody behind them. We aren't stopping at the Buc-ee's, but as you can see, we got us a line behind us, a line in front of us. So it's a good turnout, isn't it? Some clean cars, good cars.
Yeah, there's quite a few cars on here.
Surprised that many.
Of course, we're always running late. We're gonna be late to our own funeral, but you know, we still made it.
We're actually at the front of the paddock.
we pulled up just as they was pulling out, so we just stayed with them, and we was at the front of the paddock. Got lucky.
Yeah. Guys, check out this route.
about to go into the Washburn Tunnel. In case none of you guys from Houston or around the area have ever seen it, but it is awesome for Huh?
It's a giant tunnel.
It's awesome for exhaust. So hopefully we can get enough space in between vehicles, and we're gonna see how loud this thing really is.
Holy smokes.
Super loud.
This is a whole different animal compared to the G8. Oh man. We've seen a few G8s out here. Does it make you miss a G8?
No, not at all. I love this car. I don't
Yeah, he's always wanted this car.
I love this car.
Can't blame him, in my step, fire me got Raymond behind us. We're almost in Galveston, or we are in Galveston. This guy in his 392 just yelled out the window, sounds good.
I got that fool off of a dig. Oh.
Stop it. Get some help.
went to Cherry Hill, but wrong spot. They aren't parking there because they got kicked out last time. So we have one ZR1, one C7, and Raymond behind us. So now we're rolling to the place where we're supposed to be. Got the T-tops down. Raymond's got theirs down.
So we got the T-tops off. We're going topless in Galveston, y'all.
Behind us. They're back there at the other light.
Alright guys, so we finally caught up with the rest of the crew. Hopefully the wind's not too bad. If it is, I'm sorry. I'll try to cup it. But quite a few cars out here today.